Okay, welcome to another build story. Obviously I'm going to be building some more Toon tanks. I've got the Churchill and the Sherman-Firefly, both British. Basically what I'm going to be doing is building these. I'm going to be doing the time lapse in, and hopefully along the bottom here, I'm going to be having the list of all my new subscribers, because I keep getting new subscribers, which is really good. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, please leave a comment, because I'm hoping to build this channel even more, try and make it better, try and improve my videoing, try and improve my content. Hopefully next year, hopefully tail end of this year and next year, I'm going to be going to lots of model exhibitions and filming stuff. I might even start visiting some museums and that, and filming stuff as well, vehicles and so on, just to make the channel a bit more interesting. So yeah, so basically I'm going to be building these in this video. Don't know which order I'm going to be building in, probably just randomly do it, but I'm hoping to do both of them in this video. Not too sure about the spraying, but yeah, I've done a Sherman before, because I did the Santa Claus one. I'm guessing it's not that much different, apart from the turret would be different. Not done a Churchill, but it looks fun. I'm going to be doing this paint scheme because it looks quite interesting, and just be doing the Sherman as normal. So yeah, let me crack on and do this then. Right, with the building stage finished on both of these, now comes the priming and then painting. But obviously I have to take these apart a bit for the priming and take the tracks off or whatever. Also going to tidy up these bits of wood on the back and add some straps. I was thinking about doing the mad camouflage they used to add to the real Sherman's Fireflies on their little strands of material or hanging down. I don't think about that. I might actually do that. I might do that after I've sprayed it now as an afterthought. But yeah, they're basically built and just ready for priming and spraying.